how to sell vintage vinyl records on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. As you can see in here, we have a lot of products to buy from. So in order to be one of these sellers, you can just go to your top right, click on the shop manager button, as you can see. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here you have 6 steps to go through in order to set your Etsy shop. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop, then stocking your shop, then choosing how you'll get paid, setting up your payment processors. Then you end up with the shop's security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And it's where you're going to choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency as well. So here I'm going to change the shop's currency to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue. Then when you will proceed to giving a name to your shop. So here I'm going to remove the spaces between words and I'll always keep it down between 4 and 20 characters, and it seems like it's already taken. So you have two options. You can choose from these suggestions, or you can just add a number at the end of the name. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here in this step, you will need to add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to filling out the details about the product, first click on save and continue. And then you will see all of the required fields to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here you will need to fill the photos field. You will need at least one photo. Then for the inventory, you will need just to give the product a price. And then for the listing details, you will need to fill all of these read fields, answering the questions and the description. And then for the shipping, you will need to fill also all of these read fields. So let's start from the photos, and here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then for the video, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. And guys, for the video, it's not like the photos. It's not required like the photos. If you have one, that's better. If not, there is no problem. So just keep in mind that they found that listings with video get twice as many orders as listings with just photos. So you can, with photos, for example, you can get 100% sales, but with video you can get 200% sales. That is twice. So make sure to create a video for the product. Then we have the listing details, and it's the step where you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So let's start with the title. Here, let's give it a good title. Then we answer these 3 questions. Who made the product? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. Then what is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. when did you make it? You have three options to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, and especially 2020, between 2020 and 2023. Then for the category, make sure to type a keywords. Then you will choose from these categories. Then you will have some additional details to fill, like the size of the product, the genre of the product, the record speed, record length, holiday. Then you have the renewal options. If you want to go with automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, by the way, or if you want the manual one, which is free. So I'm going with free, and that's it, the manual. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Let's choose a physical. Then for the description, in order to write a good description for the product, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then for the production partners, if you have any, you can add them and add their details in here. If not, just close this one. Then for the section tags and materials, they are all optional, so I'm just going to leave them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, make sure to give your product a fair price for both you and your clients. Then if you want to turn on the domestic and the global pricing, you can do that. Then you will be able to choose a price for your country and a price for everywhere else due to the shipping costs and other things as well, or the currency, or if you just want to raise the price in everywhere else. So let's just turn it off for now. Then we have the shipping settings. So here, make sure to fill all of the red fields: the origin postal code, processing time, standard shipping, select time for the delivery, business days, and the settings for the shipping to everywhere else. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges policy. So here, if you want to apply the 30 days policy, you can click on apply. If not, you can just choose another one by creating your own policy in here, choosing what you accept and what you refuse. So for example, let's refuse exchanges. Then you can choose the time frame also. So here in the time frame, you can choose between 7 days of delivery to 90 days of delivery. Then click on save and apply. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.